This is Monet Fort. I'd like to do a walkthrough of Drupal dependency installations on a Macintosh. These are some of the things that you will need to install on your machine in order to set up a local dev environment for your Drupal development. So the first thing you want to install is HOMEBREW. HOMEBREW is an application that makes installing other things on your Macintosh computer a lot easier. Here's the HOMEBREW website. So you can grab this right from here, and I've also put it into my notes right here. That's what you want to grab. And you want to open your terminal application on your Mac. This is how we interact with the CLI on a Macintosh. And you're just going to paste that in there. You have to put a password in. That's your machine's password. I'm going to consent by pressing enter. Keep an eye on that. Put in my password again. And installation successful. Next, in order to get HOMEBREW to work, we're going to grab this. You want to change username to be your username. I'm going to go import. And I goofed this the first time I tried it, so let me try it again. You're going to paste this right into your terminal, into your CLI. Okay, and it worked. And then I'm going to paste this one next. And again, make sure to change this to be your actual username on your personal machine. This one I don't have to change anything. Okay, use HOMEBREW to install Git. So the command for HOMEBREW install Git is brew install Git. Copy that over here. Let's install PHP. Okay, I already have PHP installed. Next, I'll install Composer. This is a Drupal specific tool. I already have Composer installed, so I'm going to do as it says here for this demo and reinstall it so you can see what that looks like. And then I'm going to install DRUSH by copying this command here, putting it over here. DRUSH is another Drupal specific tool. Now you're going to need ORBSTACK. This is the LAMP stack application we use for Drupal. So I'm going to grab this and show that to you right here in the browser. So you can download it right here if you like. But I also have a command right here, so I can do it in the terminal, in my CLI. So you can use that if you like. Now, ORBSTACK is an application that you will need to run as you do a normal application. You will find it in your applications directory on your Mac, and you can put it in your dock, as I have done right here. So while this is downloading, I'm also showing you that I already have ORBSTACK installed, and I've put it in my dock here. So when I start doing Drupal development, I will always need to make sure that the ORBSTACK application is open first so that Docker can run. And finally, we get to install DDEV, which is a wonderful tool that has made local Drupal development so much easier. I definitely recommend you use DDEV. It will make the rest of your Drupal development process much less painful, much easier, much quicker. It's a wonderful tool. Okay, so I used Homebrew to install DDEV. Let's confirm it's installed. I can use this command here, DDEV-V. That's checking the version. So if I don't have it, that will not print the version, but I do have it. So we can confirm I have DDEV installed. Now we have to run this. And this makes sure that the browser trusts DDEV. DDEV is going to launch your Drupal local site in your browser, so we need to give DDEV permission to do that. And it's giving me this warning because I already have it installed.